It is a glorious day. Anyway, so hello lovely people, welcome to another video. I wanted to have a chat today about Specialized, about a couple of things, that a couple of products that they discontinued, and my mind still to this day boggles as to why they discontinued them. Why did they discontinue these two items? Keep watching to find out what I'm talking about, and I'll obviously slap about hashtag Specialized pile of poo at the same time. Welcome to James' Social Site. Lovely people, hope you're all well. Hiya, hope you're all well. I'm sure you can fucking see me. Yes, I hope all well. So what are the two items that Specialized have managed to piss me off because of they discontinued them? And if you know, you know. If you are out there now, you're going, I know one or I know two of those items, right? And the first item for me is the Specialized Tube Expert Gel Saddle. Absolutely fan-dabby-dozy. I loved it. It was about 275 by it had the, I think it had a 135 and a 145 or a 143, or even a 155, but I used to use the 143. Had that on both bikes, had that on the ALR 5 until it broke, and on the Topper until it broke. They both broke, which isn't bad going, because considering I am a weighty bloke, so you'd expect them to go, wouldn't you, after a while? But what gets me, it was such a bloody good product, and they got rid of it. I'm in the wrong gear. And they got rid of it. You can pick it up second hand or for stupid money somewhere, but that's the problem. Second hand or for stupid money. And I just can't understand, because there's no real direct replacement. You can look at the Roman or the Roman, but again there's a slight lift at the end, at the back of the saddle, where actually the tube was near on flat as a pancake. So why did they take it? It's such a good saddle. Why did they get rid of it? Why did they get rid of it? And ever since I've been faffing about with other saddles. So Sella Italia, I've had the Boost, I've actually got the gravel version on now, and as you can see that, maybe I'll show you when I've stopped. So then you have the second item, which was absolutely amazing, and that was the CGR carbon seat post. Ugly looking piece it was, but it in half did the job. Carbon, with pretty much a near right angle with a bit of rubber, between, cushioned every bump you could imagine. And what did they bring in that place? Nothing. They even started calling this STR a bloody S-Works saddle, when actually I got it on my Roubaix, which was the 105 version in 2015. Hashtag specialised pile of poo, by the way. And again, look what they brought out since. Contraptions, their R&D department. Their R&D department's been on bloody drugs, just trying to come out with new stuff on a yearly basis. Over-engineered and over-serviced. That's the problem with these items. Where this saddle just kept going until it snapped. Mine never snapped. I actually sold mine last year because I'd put it on the ALR5. Oi. The Amonda. So I had that from 2015 all the way up to 2021, 2022. Fucking hell, I can't count. 2023. So that's saying something. Had that for a while, and yet I just can't understand why their R&D would bring out, because they didn't even replace it. They didn't replace the CGR at first. The CGR used to have a nice little, about 20mm setback on it as well. So I don't know. What's your take on it? What do you reckon? What's happened? Why did they do that? I got fucking 2 canisters in my pouch rattling. Drives me nuts. Why do you think they got rid of them? Because they didn't really replace them, to be fair. Conversation for below. What's going on? Why do they take things off of the market and not replacing them? Blows my mind. Not that I'd be able to use it on this, but anyway, it just takes me back to the reasons why. Hashtag specialised pile of poo. You know, I bought the Roubaix in 2015 because I was told the SL4 frame had a lifetime warranty. If they'd have told me the bottom bracket doesn't, area, I wouldn't have bought it. Lying bunch of. Anyway, let's show me some love. Give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and get in the conversation down below. And all you Specialised fanboys, love you too. Lots of love. I'll see you all on the road very soon.